there, I'm Hugo from TechCorner, and today I have here for you another mailbag day. So we have a few packages to open. Let's not waste any more time and start. Okay, I had a combined package, one became 4. I will leave this one's next. This one will be the last one. I know what it is. And let me just start with this one because I have a feeling that this one will be a problem. I ordered some of the, I think it's the SMD book, sample book. So this is a sample book for storing SMD resistors and capacitors and everything else. I ordered a sample book, an empty sample book for storing some materials that I already have, and also extra sheets to add to the book. I didn't know how big this was, so I decided to order a few more. It seems pretty nice. It has a hardcover. This is one of that sample books that we see online with SMD components. It looks pretty big online with the photos, but in reality it's a small sample book like this. I decided to buy some to start making some order of my SMD components that I already have, and yeah, it seems a nice acquisition. Let me put this here and let's move on. Okay, the next one is this one. The ink is still fresh. Let's open it and see what we have inside. Okay, so let me show you. This is a 20 by 20 insulation sponge. It's not a sponge, it's an insulation pad or something like that. It has a sticker. I believe this has glue to put on the heat bed of the 3D printer. I did not buy that for the 3D printer. I bought this for a project that I'm currently doing. It's a heat bed for reworking, and I already have the hot plate. I received a few days ago also silicone rubber. It will be the fit of the thing, and I want to put this below the heat plate to isolate a little the heat from the rest of the components that are printed, 3D printed, so it cannot have very high heat in contact, otherwise it will melt. Yeah, but it arrived. I only need about 12 centimeters by 7. It's the size of the hot plate. I bought this one. This is 15 by 15 centimeters, I think. And yeah, let's see how it turns out, that project. I'm trying to film everything, but yeah, it's kind of hard. Okay, this is for another project that I'm currently also doing, because while I'm waiting for parts for one project, I will do the other one. This is for glue or solder paste dispensing. We have here a hose that connects to a solder paste dispenser or glue dispenser, and with air it will push this down this barrel. I'm doing a small project that is also with a pneumatic solution using a small electric pump. I want to see if it will work, so I ordered this. This is the, I believe, 10 cc's solder paste. I think it's the 10 cc's. Let me check. Yeah, I ordered the 10 cc solder paste dispenser. So in a few days you should have something on the channel about this. And the last one I have here, let me take this out of the way, I have no idea. This package don't bring a lot of description. Okay. I never order only one thing, but since they combine all the orders in one package right now, I received this one also. It's a second hose with the adapter for the solder dispenser and also the adapter to connect to the dispenser machine. I will try to do something with this. Let's see. Okay, this one I will leave it to the end. It is kind of special and I will explain why. I already bought two of this for my office at home, and I see that I needed another one that was for another computer that in the beginning I was not thinking that will have this, and this is a shelf. It's not a shelf, it's a monitor support. Let me show you. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, so in here, let me take the plastic off. Well, this one is broken. Okay, this is bad news. Oh man, this is bad news. Anyway, so the idea behind this is to put the monitor on top of this and to have a higher degree of visualization while watching or looking at the monitor. And the other two were amazing. I had a little problem with this one. It was forced in some way and it is broken. Yeah, I will have to open a case. Yeah, what a pity. I love the other two. Yeah, anyway, so that's what it is. Let me take this out of the way and we will move on to the last one. Let me take the styrofoam. Okay, so this is the first item I bought with the affiliate earnings from you guys that press in the affiliate link on the description, and I earn very little commission. To be honest, on Banggood for a whole year I earned about $120. As you can see, it's nothing. I spent much more than that on the channel, but this one is special. It's the first thing I bought with the collaboration of the viewers, and I really appreciate you guys for clicking on the affiliate link. The money that I earned there, it's only to buy another material so I can review and you can see it before you buy. So what is this? I was looking for, let me show you, a heat plate. I told you that I have a project for doing one, but I want to have a more stable product, and I am totally converted to the SMD and technique and how we do that. So let me show you. This is a small heat plate. I saw a few of them, and this one was the one I thought that was the best relation between price and quality. It seems to have a very high quality It has two displays, one for the intended temperature and the other one for the current temperature. Yeah, I have to review it, but right now it has a normal ESC power socket, 2200 volts, 220 volts, sorry. And yeah, let's just connect it to see what we can do with this. And as I told you, this is very special. It's the first item I was able to buy using your collaboration on the channel. Let's see. And okay, I will pass this to the top camera. And we have on, off. Okay, currently it says it's 90 degrees. And the intended temperature, it's controlled here, up. It will not go over 260, or let me see. It seems to be, okay. We have the set, we have to press set, and after pressing set, we can go up. I think it goes about 300 and something, yeah, 320 degrees. And it can go below that to, let's see what we have here. Okay, 161 degrees, it's the higher. It's the bottom temperature that we can put in here. It's already heating up. Okay, I don't want to heat it up. Let me just power it down. I don't need this right now. And yeah, it's very small, very compact, but it's everything I need, to be honest. It's more than I currently need. But it is a very nice item. It costs about 55 euros, something like that. And for the price, this is amazing. It seems to have a very nice quality. Let's see. I think it will be a great addition for the TechCorner workbench. And I will do a review on this very soon. I have some items there to use this heat plate to solder some items that I bought, some projects, and I have the motherboards, the boards already waiting for this. And yeah, that's it. Okay, if in any way this video was useful to you, don't forget, give a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget, please subscribe. And if you do, don't forget to hit that bell to be the first one to be notified every time or whenever I launch a new video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I see you in my next video. Cheers.